Hi, in this video we are going to see about what is normalization. Normalization is the process of organizing data within a database to eliminate data anomalies such as redundancy. In simpler terms, it involves breaking down large complex tables into smaller and simpler tables while maintaining data relationships. This not only reduces the chance of storing duplicate data but also improves the overall efficiency of the database. Normalization is commonly used when dealing with large data sets. Let's see about data anomalies. Data anomalies are problems that arise when a database is not properly normalized. These anomalies can lead to data inconsistency and difficulty in maintaining the database. The three main types of data anomalies are insertion anomaly, update anomaly, and deletion anomaly. Let's see about the insertion anomaly. Insertion anomaly occurs when you cannot insert a new record into the database because some required information is missing. For example, if a new employee is hired but not yet assigned to the department, you might not be able to add their information to the employee table if the department is a required field. Next one is update anomaly. It occurs when updating a piece of data requires updating multiple rows in the table. If some rows are missed during the update, it leads to data inconsistency. For example, if an employee changed the department, you must update the department information in all the employee records. Last one, deletion anomalies. It occurs when deleting a record unintentionally removes other related information. For example, if deleting an employee record also removes department information, this is a deletion anomaly. Let's see why normalization is important. It reduces data redundancy, improves data integrity, simplifies database design, and optimizes performance. First, see about how it reduces data redundancy. It efficiently manages duplicate data to conserve storage and reduce inconsistency. Improve data integrity. It ensures the accuracy and consistency of data by organizing it in a structured manner. Third one is simplifies database design. By following clear structure, database designs become easier to maintain and update. Last one is optimize performance. It reduces the chance of anomalies and increases the efficiency of database operations. What are the types of normal form? Normal forms are different stages of normalization, and each stage imposes certain rules to improve the structure and performance of a database. There are 6 types of normal forms. They are first normal form, second normal form, third normal form, bicycle normal form, fourth normal form, and fifth normal form. I hope you understand about what is normalization. In the upcoming videos, we are going to see about types of normalization in detail. Thank you.